Hello everyone, my name is Tuna Benito, and some of you may know me as one of the main software developers working at Google, that website you always use every day for everything you want to know. I'm one of the people who works to bring it to you. And I would like to take some of your time to explain to you how I got into this position and what I do. So first of all, I would like to talk about what makes me as a person, what are my values, or as someone might say, my personal purpose, or what I do for my life. First of all, I want to say that my personal purpose is to lead a happy life, doing the things that I enjoy, and being able to support those who have also supported me. This is very important to me and it's linked to everything I do in life, because for me, if I want to be successful at something, I have to also enjoy it. It's not about wanting to do something that I enjoy. It's because if you do something that you enjoy, you'll always give your all and will always be on top of your game. The other part of my personal purpose is important because I think that my parents gave everything to me that I have right now. My life and my education, everything is because of my parents. And I would like to, not just my family, also my friends. And I would like to show them the same support they have always shown me and be able to give them something back. And all of this personal purpose relates to everything I do, because whenever I want to be good at something, I think about it and I have to look at something that I enjoy to do the best at it. Next, I would like to talk about what I do as a job. My career is being a software developer for Google. Many of you may not know what a software developer actually does because it's kind of complicated to know how a computer works, but basically I'm in charge of writing the programs. Everything you do on a computer is a program, and what a program is basically a bunch of instructions that goes to the hardware. The hardware is the part of the PC that you can touch your CPU. So basically what I do is send instructions to the hardware so you can see things on your PC. This is done through the use of writing code. And writing code is actually a really complicated process that it's called a cycle. Why is it called a cycle? Because every time you make something, you gotta make sure it works, you gotta make sure it works for the consumer, and then you gotta go back and try to evolve that code so it keeps improving and improving. And that's basically what my job is. I have to write the code, make sure it has no problems, make sure the consumer likes it because everything is about the consumer in here. You're trying to sell your code to them. This current job that I have, it requires a bachelor's degree, and I didn't start with a bachelor's degree. First I went to Valencia College to get my AA degree in computer science. That's where all of it started. Valencia was a really impressive experience for me. It helped me get adapt to university in another country since I am actually from Venezuela. When I graduated Valencia College, I transferred to UCF to get my bachelor's degree. All my expenses were paid by my parents because I'm an international student, so I can apply for student loans. I tried to do my best at both Valencia and UCF alike and got a 3.5 GPA, which was really helpful for wanting to get the job that I want. However, it wasn't always so easy. When I tried to first get this job, I didn't have much luck. Hello, I'm interested in working for Google. Here's my resume. After getting my job application denied by Google, I felt really bad. I didn't want to get out of bed anymore, but I knew what I had to do. I started to seriously practice my coding for the industry. Before I knew it, I was already making useful software that will help me get my job. After I made my first project and started working seriously on my coding to fit the industry, so many job opportunities opened to me and I was able to get my dream job at Google, where I work with a group of amazing people to bring you, our customer, the most accessible website on the internet. Thank you for your attention and I hope you enjoy my presentation.